Welcome. Usually we come in the evening time, 7:30 Indian Standard Time, but today we have to. I will not be there in the evening hours, so I thought I will share some important analysis with you all, so it will help you. So first thing is we are continuing our openpyxl, the Python library for our Excel files that you can follow it and all. So in that yesterday also I discussed that I will give you some formulas and to how to generate the Excel files using the formulas, having the formulas rather, and then subsequently one more video also we are going to prepare on generating a pay slips, taking some basic pay and name as input. Then we will have some HRA DA calculation and the total value is there. This is what we are going to, two videos are going to come up within next I think 1 or 2 days. You can watch that. But one thing while developing it came into my mind, when you are going to use this, see you have a choice. You can as well write the formulas in your backend. Say 2 columns are there. Now you are written 5 in one column, 10, and in the third column you want some of these 2 should be there. Now 15, okay, but you can do it by writing a formula. You can do it by Python also at the back end and just output the 15 to the third column. Now, which is a better way? In what scenario you will use the formula in the Python side, or without using Python you will use it in the Excel side? This is a situation which I want to bring you or explain to you why you should, in what situation you will use what. It is not that that is good or this is bad. It is that in which situation you will work it. Let's just come back to our payslip generation script, which you will be getting the video shortly. Now, once you generate the payslip, say you have generated 10 records are there, you have generated it by using Python at the back end and the Excel file is generated. Now, imagine you have sent it to a friend, this you use this. So, what you are basically given is a template or a format which your friend you expect to use it. Now, the friend out of the 10, suppose he wants to add one more record, say 11th employee has joined. Now 10 out of 10, 11. Now how he will use the formula? He don't know what is Python. If you are developed in Python and written the formula in Python, but here Excel helps you that because the formula is in Excel range, so you can easily add one more employee. So your requirement is the Excel file what is being generated is used by someone else who doesn't know Python or don't have the facility of using that. There the Excel will come to. I will take you to another situation. Let's watch that particular payslip output to understand what you are discussing. Let me just open my Excel. Hope you are able to see this. Yeah. So this is the Excel we will be generating. So this is what the video will tell you. Now you see that 10 records are there. So up to this rows 10 records, I can just show you 10 records. Now I am going to add one more. Sorry, say 11. Now I am writing my friend. Okay, whatever it is. Now already it is formatted. So what happened? I am putting it 48,000 as the basic. Press the tab. Imagine what has happened. So once I place the tab, that all the entire record, because the form here I don't require a Python to add this, to calculate this 30%, 50% and sum it up and print it here, because I don't have the Python here. It is simple Excel. So this creating a template or a format when I am using, I must go for Excel, openpyxl or Excel side I must integrate, because this I am again sending it to a friend who may not have Python to work it again or regenerate by adding something. So this particular record when I have added, it takes care of all the things and use that. That's the point I want to bring it, that while working, it is not that openpyxl you have the only choice to work on the formulas. You have other choice also, but based on the requirement. Let me know what are the different requirements you have. So we can discuss that and tell you whether doing it in the Python formulas are better or doing it in the Excel way is better. One more thing also. Fine, this is the discussion I want you should have or you think on this line. Let me just see if any questions, anything is there. Fine, no question. Okay, continue. Yeah, what I am another way is this data of 10 records can come from different sources. Say you have a established, you want that employees of a particular grade only to be considered. So, you have a huge database at the back end, you can pull that filter that record and bring it and create this Excel. So, these are the sub tools which will help you in your main application to take out some data and do something else in your program or in your process. So, that is how the you can filter out the source part. That is what in the video, to make it simple to understand the formulas we have created, but not included this aspect on it intentionally, that in future if you are in a situation where you have a large database of employee and some part of it you want to take it out and pass it on to, say you want to have a cricket team out of your employees. So, some 15-20 people you have pre-selected them. So, you pulled it out, then you given that option to someone else to add a coach, add some fitness experts and all to that Excel and continue. So, they are the Excel file, because you are not going to work on the main sources. Anyway friends, these are all the few things you can think on your own when you work on your own applications, or take this example of pay as a example and try to think on your own way, so you can have some application, and let us know in the comment section what are your thought on this, how you are going to use the openpyxl and all. So, let me just how you are going to use it in your system or your areas of work, so we can have a good discussion. That's friends, next week we'll again continue with this, the application part morely we are focusing. You can contribute there also, tell your friends also to join and suggest the ideas or the topics whatever you comes to your mind, and please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and join me in the evening 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Thank you friends, thank you for joining.